Have you ever moved house, changed your phone number, or maybe even just realized you've been spelling your own name wrong on your bank account for years? Yeah, me neither, totally not speaking from experience. But seriously, life changes, and sometimes those changes mean you need to update your details with your bank. And if you're a Starling Bank user, you might be wondering, how exactly do I do that? It's a fair question. In a world where we're constantly told to keep our personal information secure, the thought of changing sensitive details on your bank account can feel a bit daunting. You might be picturing endless phone calls, complicated forms, and a whole lot of stress. But here's the good news. Starling Bank, known for its user-friendly approach, has made this process surprisingly straightforward. So, let's dive in and demystify the process of updating your personal details on Starling Bank. We'll cover everything from changing your address and phone number to updating your name and email. We'll even touch on some of the security measures Starling has in place to keep your information safe. First, let's talk about why it's so important to keep your details up to date. Banks aren't just being fussy when they ask for this information. It's about security, compliance with regulations, and ensuring you can access your account without any hiccups. Think about it. If you move and don't tell your bank, they might send important correspondence to your old address. Or if your phone number is outdated, you could miss out on crucial security alerts. Starling Bank, like all banks in the UK, is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. This means they have a legal obligation to keep accurate records of their customers. This is why you'll need to provide proof of your new details in some cases. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. How do you actually do it? The good news is, most of the changes can be made directly within the Starling Bank app. This is a huge convenience, especially for those of us who prefer to manage our finances on the go. Changing your address. Let's start with the most common change, your address. Moving house is a big deal, and updating your bank details is one of those essential tasks that can easily slip your mind. To change your address on Starling, you'll need to open the app and navigate to your profile. This is usually found by tapping your initials or profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Once you're in your profile, look for the Personal Details or Address section. Here, you'll be able to enter your new address. Starling will typically ask you to confirm your new address, and in some cases, they might require you to provide proof of your new address. This could be a utility bill, a council tax bill, or a tenancy agreement. Why do they ask for proof? Well, it's all about security and preventing fraud. By verifying your new address, Starling can ensure that your account is protected. Changing your phone number. Next up, let's talk about changing your phone number. This is another crucial piece of information that needs to be kept up to date. Your phone number is often used for two-factor authentication, 2FA, which is an extra layer of security that helps protect your account from unauthorized access. To change your phone number, again, you'll need to go to your profile within the Starling app. Look for the phone number or contact details section. Here, you can enter your new phone number. Starling will then send a verification code to your new number, which you'll need to enter into the app to confirm the change. This verification process is essential. It ensures that only you, the account holder, can change your phone number. This helps prevent anyone else from gaining access to your account. Changing your email address. Your email address is another critical piece of information that needs to be kept current. It's used for communication from Starling, including important updates and security alerts. The process for changing your email address is similar to changing your phone number. Go to your profile in the Starling app, find the email address or contact details section, and enter your new email address. Starling will then send a verification link to your new email address, which you'll need to click to confirm the change. Again, this verification process is crucial for security. Changing your name. Now, let's talk about changing your name. This is a slightly more complex process, as it often requires you to provide legal documentation. If you've changed your name due to marriage, divorce, or any other reason, you'll need to provide Starling with proof of your new name. This could include a marriage certificate, a divorce decree, or a deed poll. To change your name, you'll need to contact Starling's customer support. You can do this through the in-app chat or by calling their customer service number. They will guide you through the process and tell you what documents you need to provide. Why the extra steps? Changing your name is a significant change, and banks need to ensure that they have accurate records. This is why they require legal documentation. Security considerations. Throughout this process, Starling Bank prioritizes security. They use a variety of measures to protect your personal information, including encryption, two-factor authentication, and fraud detection systems. It's also important to remember that you play a role in keeping your account secure. Never share your login details or verification codes with anyone. And always make sure you're using a strong, unique password for your Starling account. Starling Bank's user-friendly app makes this process easy, but it's still important to be aware of the security measures in place and to take steps to protect your own information. Ultimately, updating your Starling Bank personal details is a simple but important task. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can ensure that your account is secure and that you can access your funds without any problems. Remember to always double-check the details you are inputting and keep your bank informed of any changes to your information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.